Hey folks, I hope you're having a wonderful day, because I am, because I got a new shark. And I tell you, my other ones lasted for a long time, but they got really worn out. Between the filters inside the canister on the old shark, this is different here, but the canisters are down here. But this right here, this portion right here, maybe shark needs to know about this. These start to separate. And one of them had an actual giant gaping hole in there. I was wondering why dirt kept coming out all over the top orifice of this opening here and on the top of the vacuum itself. So that was a problem, and it was time to replace. We've had those for a long time since the review I had on that shark, so I don't even know how long that was. But this new one is awesome. It even says on the box, the strongest suction versus any Shark Rocket stick vacuum. And I tell you what, this thing has really got some suction power. It's got these this dual head contraption here. And I tell you what, this thing pulls it up. And it also says it's self-cleaning. So I don't know. I mean, we're getting dog hair on there and it's been sucking it up. But I don't know about my wife's hair. That stuff's pretty long. But we'll see how it goes. See if it gets wrapped around or not on there. But that'll take some time. I'll put it there as a comment later on when we start finding out if the hair gets on there and gets off. But anyway, you got your attachments here. Okay. Like the old one, but you don't need it for the hardwood floors or the regular just tile floors. You can just use this. The thing's really pull stuff up good. So you don't have to put this on anymore. That's just only if you absolutely need it. And then you've got a great little attachment head here, the regular snorkel. And if you remember the other snorkel from the other one, if you did have that one, this one's a little different. Plus it's got an attachment bar. You can put these on here and you've got it with you at all time. We had to make a special box or a bag. We have a bag for one, and the other one we had a box just for these attachments itself. Now they're attachable to the unit, so they can go with you. So they're with you at any time. So anyway, we're getting back to this snorkel here. This snorkel, this little brush assembly goes up, snaps in place, and now you can attach it, use your brush to your vacuum, and the vacuum's real light too. And you can just clean up here like these vents up here. My goodness, these things get all clotted with stuff and hair and dust and everything else up there, and this will do it. It'll suck it right off. Anyway, once you get done with that there and you're back to vacuuming, which I'm going to show you in a minute here, this thing really pulls. But let's talk about the canister real quick before we move on. The canister is real easy to get out. Okay, you just squeeze it. Both sides is little squeeze tabs here. I'm going to let you see it over here. Move it on the side here. You got squeeze tabs on the left and right, and you just squeeze it. Okay, get over this thing here. It's a one-handed job here. Okay, here we go. And all right, there it is. It's out. You just lean it back, put it back in, and you lean it back to get it back out. Okay, so to get into the canister is real easy. You just push this tab right here and it comes right out, and you can clean this off. The other one, you had to get your hand in there and clean it off. This thing comes right out, so you can clean it off and then dump out your canister. So there's a lot of better features on here now than it was. And for your filter has two tabs on the left and right side. Pop that out, so you have to clean it out or dust it or whatever. It's good to go. So we're gonna put it back in. We just lean it back, push it in forward, and it's done. Now let me show you on this carpet here what this animal can do. And it's got functions. It's got floor and carpet. And you'll see that in a minute here after you turn your power on. Let me get it plugged in and I'll show it to you. Okay, now we're here at the vacuuming part of this demonstration here. Now turn it on. You have symbols here, and now it's gone to floor. So all you have to do is hit this button here, floor tight, and you go to carpet. And away we go. This sucker has so much power, it is literally pulling it when I go forward, and when I pull it back, you feel a ton of resistance. These dual heads here really go after it. You can see them right here. They're going to town. No joke there. And it's really pulling up the carpet. And it really works well on tiled or wood floors. It just cleans it up. You don't need to put that soft attachment on the head there and go that route. You just use the machine itself and go to town. I'm telling you what, folks, I like this new shark, and I know it's corded, and people always want me to do the battery stuff, but I'm just old school. I like the cord. I don't want to depend on a charger or a doggone battery until they get it right. And they may have it right, but you know, when they stop selling these, then I know it's really good. And this is on sale, $199 minus 40, and that's what you pay at Costco. So, I mean, a $40 discount on $199 for a good vacuum like this, you cannot beat it with the attachments, the functions, the durability of a shark. Nothing better. So, good luck, God bless, it works for me.